Hi, welcome to demo of Bilzo. In this screen, we will see how a cashier at a physical store will actually interact with Bilzo. So here you can see he's typing the customer's mobile number and name and then adding the customer to his own database. Then he will go ahead and add the few products that the customer is buying here. Once he goes through that process, he will go ahead and click on save, where he'll fill out all the payment details and then click save. As soon as that's done, the receipt Bilzo basically opens up. Now here you can see there are two options, print an e-bill and e-bill. The customer then chooses what he wants to do exactly, and the e-bill then is sent to the customer's phone. As you can see, the bill has now arrived in my WhatsApp. I click on view my bill and then the bill opens up in my browser. Then as you can see, the bill is now open. Once I can now browse through my bill, if I do view more, I will see my full bill. As you can see, the whole receipt is interactive in nature and it has a lot of visual promotions on the bill, and it's showing my current loyalty points because I've purchased for 46, it's showing 0.46. I can show also the feedback, and once I save, I go back to the same and then hit back, I come back here the same screen. There's website and app download options also available. That's all about the customer. Now let's go and take a look at the merchant dashboard. This is the dashboard that the merchant gets whenever he signs up on Bilzo. This dashboard now contains some snapshot details about his usage on Bilzo. Next up, we have receipts, where he can see all the receipts that were sent, search them by a particular range, search by a particular branch, or for a specific mobile number. So as we can see here, this shows the delivery statistics in a snapshot, and this is now paginated and showing all the data in the last 7 days. Then next up is failed receipts. This is where if there's any failure due to some reason, there's any failure, this sort of shows up here. Next up we have promotions. Promotions are the ones that you saw on the bill. This is where you can upload them, you can add new promotions, you have and these all have a start date. uh, this is Then we move on to campaigns, where you can validate a coupon code whenever you're in front of the user. This screen is meant to be used by the cashier. Creating a campaign and viewing a campaign is what we can do here. Then we come back to the feedback, where he or she can see the number of people who have given them feedback in a particular date range. Next up is just all the different settings. So there he has the org settings, we have the store settings, we have some information about the user's billing, his access, and then he can request support as well. And yeah, this is all about the merchant's dashboard on Bilzo.